Like you said, thankful nobody was injured here, but it certainly had that potential going into this severe weather event.
Yeah, we sure did, and it's all about where the storms strike, how fast the winds are, and what can come down. And we definitely had our fair share of tree damage and trees down, but thankfully nobody was hurt, like you said. Several tornado warnings today, but all that we can muster is just some downed trees. That's some really good news that none of those tornado warnings came to fruition. So thankful that the day wasn't as bad as it could have been. However, we still have a several more hour long duration event with heavy rainfall coming. We'll talk about that in a second. Want to get to radar right now and show you where the strongest storms are. And the strongest ones are basically right along the leading edge of our rain shield. Folks in Etowah County, near Gadsden, you're seeing a lot of rain now. All of these storms moving off to the east and northeast. So Cobbtown, Anniston, Piedmont, and Chocolaco in the next 20 minutes will be impacted by these clusters of storms. And then Goodwater, Waldo, and Ashland throughout Talladega County into Clay County and down through Coosa and Tallapoosa County. If these hold together, Alexander City in the next 25 minutes, then New Site and Jackson's Gap. All of these storms moving off to the north and to the east, the whole line itself shifting off to the east, but the individual cells moving in that northeasterly direction. And you can see all of the rain behind that main line. That's what we're most concerned about going in to the overnight period tomorrow morning. A flash flood watch in effect until 1 o'clock on Sunday. We're still going to have rain falling after 1 o'clock, but it's the heavier rain that we're going to see between now and early on Sunday morning that's the most concerning. 2, 3, 4 inches are not out of the question. There will be some spots that pick up 5 inches of rain out of this, and that could lead to some isolated flooding in low-lying areas and also some urban areas, too. On the backside of all of this nasty weather, we've got some cold air that'll be diving through here, and that'll be our next big weather change for Sunday into Monday, a big cool down. We'll talk about it here in a second. Futurecast shows all of the rain transitioning off to East Alabama and out of the state by the time we get to midnight or so. The heaviest of the rain between now and 1 o'clock in the morning. Then just light rain early on Sunday between, say, 4 and 8 a.m. I know we've got the big marathon in town tomorrow morning. Should be just drizzly and cloudy for that with temperatures in the 50s. And then tomorrow afternoon, we see some sunshine, some clouds, highs only near 60 degrees tomorrow. Watch what happens to overnight lows on Monday morning. Numbers in the 30s once again. Some spots are going to have frost on the ground on Monday. It has been a wild, wild spring. Temperatures only near 60 degrees again for afternoon highs on Monday. Showers early, then cooler conditions for Sunday. Finally, that severe weather threat is done by the time we get to, say, 10 o'clock tonight. But the cool weather will be the dominating story for the next couple of days. You see temperatures in the 30s Monday morning, moderating temperatures by Tuesday, and a really nice work week ahead. Only one small chance of rain there on Thursday, Jack.